Okay guys, so I've taken a stop over here. The place was like really awesome and I had to cause it had covered nearly 50 kilometers so far. We are approximately I guess 100 kilometers from Rajkot. That's a place between Ahmedabad and Junagadh. The scooter looks fine, everything is perfectly working all right. I've taken a brief halt over here. There is nothing as such, no restaurant or for that matter anything as such. Just the locality was awesome. These plantations, I don't really know what they are, but they were looking perfect. Okay, so it's pretty windy. I don't really think that you guys will be able to hear much, but there's one thing that's bothering me, and that is these rust. See them? I don't really like that, and I don't really know how to get rid of that. It's a stainless steel, but somehow that has happened. I guess I'll be waxing it out or doing something. I'll be finding a way and I'll be letting you guys know. So that be it. Let's continue. I'll wait for a few more moments. The weather is awesome. See that? It's neither too cloudy nor too sunny. I was almost I guess 15 to 20 kilometers from Chotila when it started raining real bad. It got from bad to worse, and it was really getting difficult to continue any further, and that was the reason that I had to make a halt. And I in fact did just that. I had taken a halt at a petrol pump which was nearby, and once the weather calmed down, I continued. Okay folks, so we have taken a break right now. The scooter needed a petrol fill, and hence I have taken 5 liters of petrol and appropriate amount of 2TOL, that's 100 ml. And now we are ready to go as rain also has subsided. It's approximately 6 p.m. Right over there you can see the Chotila Mata Mandir, and the place is Chotila. Approximately from here we have to cover 160 kilometers to Ahmedabad. Evening folks, so right now we are approximately I guess 30 to 40 kilometers from Ahmedabad, and obviously I took another break. The weather is almost all right. There's not even a single drop of rain, so I guess we can record our trip. Let me do just that. I was expecting to reach Gandhinagar by say around 8:30 to 9 p.m. at the worst, but owing to heavy downpour and the necessity to take care of my electronic devices on the scooter, including my mobile phone, I had to delay the trip a bit because I had to take obviously many intermittent halts, and that was the reason that I could only reach Gandhinagar by 11:30 or something like that. The overall trip was nice. Engine performed perfectly well despite being run at 75 kilometers per hour on a continuous basis. The overall mileage that the scooter returned was approximately say 40 to 43 kilometers to a liter. That's one thing that you guys would really be interested, and that was kind of amazing because I was not really expecting that good a mileage. There is one more thing that I really wanted to discuss with you guys. I have added a little extra 2TOL while I was refueling my scooter with petrol, and what I did was, like, instead of 20 ml to a liter, I had added say 23 ml to a liter, and that kind of took good care of it. So with that, I guess I'll put an end to it. After I reached Gandhinagar, I just requested one of my friend over there, and he arranged for food and everything, and I'm really thankful to him. So that bit, it was quite a fun trip. I'll certainly be looking forward to having a similar trip on my scooter again. and obviously we'll be doing one trip back from here to Junagadh soon. So stay tuned for more. Till the next time, build it, ride it.